Hello and welcome back to D&D Woodhouse. Today we are doing a demo and review of the Wen handheld belt sander. It is variable speed and uses a 3-inch wide and 18-inch long belt that allows just under 8 inches of sanding surface. This was purchased new and has been used a few times prior. It's quite a good looking machine. Let's go out to the open air shop. It's a beautiful day. And there's a piece of wood ready to be stripped. Let's open her up. Let's put this aside for a bit. So this is my first time using this Wen sander. My partner D has used it and he had good things to say. Oh, it's still dusty from previous use. D. Always check out the instruction book first. It used to. Be patient.
Smooth out the big patch with the belt sander. After that, we'll put...
Make sure it's off when you plug it in. Who did that? Here's our dust collection bag. A 1 1/4 inch round port can be easily connected to a dust extraction system. A smooth zipper on that. We ruled out a sander with a square dust exhaust. Not for us. Keep those connections universal. And earlier I checked out the belt tension lever, got familiar with that. I'll take this belt off, check it out. Check the arrow direction on the paper belt, sandpaper belt. The rollers look aligned. Okay, is that good? Check the dial here. That's not straight. We do not want uneven wear of the paper. Line it up. A little more. Little more. And there we go. Secure. That'll work. And all good. Okay. I like this thing. We have the variable 6-speed dial, nice visible trigger switch, and a manageable weight at only 6 pounds. The dust bag is easy on and off, clicks right in, seems to stay put. And then we have this is our tracking adjustment knob we used earlier. That's all set. Okay. The manual's diagrams are good, showing everything I mentioned so far. Maintenance is necessary on power tools if you want them to last. I do like an exploded view. This electric sander has moving parts. Some of those parts being adjustable. We'll need to learn what's what. Okay. Now let's see what this Wenny can do. So I want my dominant hand at the controls, button in, squeezing trigger. It's got good power at speed 4 of 6. It needs a good grip to show it who's boss. I'll do need for speed at setting 6 once I remove some more paint. Okay, getting some progress here. I lowered the motor volume on the video. It's a bit louder, but not excessive. You need to keep the belt clean for better progress through the process. It's good. I'll clean the belt surface off from time to time. I know sanded paint can get gunky when it heats from the friction. Making passes back and forth, not pressing down. I don't put unnecessary pressure on my joints anymore. Letting the tool do the work. Starting to see progress. Okay, it's obvious that this was not sanded before being painted. Not even sure where this came from, really. If you need to know, let me know in the comments. I'll ask D when I can. I'm going to make a few more passes on this, still all at speed 4. I like what we see here so far. It's a good machine. It's a 2-prong plug good with any decent extension cord. This is our first Wen. I like her. We'll keep you, Wenny. Plug it in and get sanding. Good choice, Dee. Budget friendly, substantial, easy to use, and a 2-year warranty. Be sure to register your tools when you can. For Wen products, just a receipt is necessary to process claims. Maybe snap a photo of that in case the receipt fades. We know that has been happening, and keep it safe. This is a great deal at under $50. Keep it clean. Get it going. I like it. Get one. So here's a super basic setup for prepping a project. If you can't start big, at least start. Upgrades are just goals to make and meet. This Wen sander is a great option for your tool collection. But before you get busy, please like and subscribe for more to come. Thank you so much for watching.